This is just a quick one just to let you know how to make sure that you've got your Stream Deck Plus with Sideshow color profiles for Windows set up correctly. Some of the indicators that I've found useful. First of all, as you can see, we've got the Stream Deck here, and what you want to do first of all is press this little button, and what that does, if you look down here, it puts a monitor on, and what that does, that monitor tells you if your data is coming through correctly, and that's your MIDI data, which you would have set up previously from the normal setups. The next thing you want to do is make sure you're working in the correct user interface from Davinci Resolve. So you need to do that, press that button, and then if we go to, let's go to the color, because that's where we're heading. So we're now in the color mode, and we now need to make sure that the button is actually going to work. In other words, I'm now sorry about this, guys. I just need to go back to the main color panel a bit. This reset UI, if I put the mouse over here, if it works correctly, it should spring from here down to the scopes. So as I press the button, the reset UI, watch for it jumping across to the scopes. And as you can see, it didn't do it. So that's telling me it's not correct. So let me just make sure we're in the right setup. Okay, let's just see. We've done that correctly. And we'll have another go. And if this doesn't work, there'll be another thing I'm going to tell you about, which can catch you out. So we've got that going definitely there. Reset UI. No, right. Okay. On here, we have a few things missing. So what we need to do is go into settings, and we go into color management. We need to enable Dolby Vision, HDR10 and HDR Vivid, and save that. So now they have popped up on the toolbar there. We'll go back to reset just to make sure we're definitely resetting. We've reset the UI. Now we'll try again. Reset user interface. There we go. So you saw it jump across. That is telling you that that is the correct setting. Once it jumps across, you know you're right. I didn't know you had to have these actually enabled until I got into such a pickle I couldn't get it going. Without these enabled, even if you don't use them, even if you've not got Dolby Vision license or anything like that, you must enable them. Now then, what we'll do is we'll do a quick check just to see that things are working. So if I come over here and add a node, we've added a node. So that's working. If we go into the primaries, what you find is the mouse has jumped across to the primary wheels. So if I was to enter the tint, watch the mouse move across to the tint. Now it's moved across to the tint, you're able to do it. Unfortunately, we're not going to see much because it's on a white thing. Right, let's just move this along. Right, here we go. Let's go to there. There's some colors. Right, so we're still on the tint, and as you can see, we're affecting the tint in the scopes. Yeah. Shadows. Moves to the shadows, and you can see the shadows are moving. Okay. Back to temperature. and it's moving in the temperatures, and you can see it really warming up. The blue's going down. This is not in a way of showing you a color grade, this is just showing you the actual thing working. Okay, they're the pitfalls that I've found, but hopefully that might help a few of you out. We will eventually get to a proper coloring job with it, but it's just nice to know how to set it up and some of the pitfalls. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hopefully that's going to be useful. Any comments down below, I would love to hear them. I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.